everyone, welcome back. If you cannot log in into the BNZ internet banking or the mobile app, here's what to do. First, carefully enter your access number or username and then your password. Make sure there are no typing errors or extra spaces. Then, if you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password and then follow the on screen instructions. Then, check your internet connection to ensure that it is stable. If two-factor authentication is enabled, make sure you enter the correct security code before it expires. If you've tried logging in multiple times with incorrect details, your account may be temporarily locked. So, wait a few minutes before trying again. Update the BNZ app to the latest version. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the BNZ mobile app, and then update it to the latest version. If login still fails, contact the BNZ customer support for assistance. That's how to fix the BNZ login not working. Subscribe for more quick fixes.